was great working with Unified Mentor as a data analyst intern. I have done my 4 months of internship, and the projects we have worked on are really great. The data sets that we have been given to us is like a real world problem solving that actually helps me to analyze so that how can we really analyze the data. And so yeah, the educational content we have given for the 30-day challenge is really great. The Python skills, the SQL skills, and the data visualization skills was very helpful for me. So yeah, this whole internship through the unified mentors really helped me in my skill boosting, and it also enhanced my confidence also. So at last, thank you for all the mentors and educational teachers at Unified Mentors for helping me on this. Thank you.